and Goa's promotion of girls' education is a model for other states. The performance of girl students at Goa University is an example. 60% of students here are girls, and 63% of the toppers and medalists at today's ceremonies are girls. We are not going to stop here. I am told that of the 67 gold medals being awarded today, 41 have been won by girl students. This is an outstanding achievement for not just your university and for Goa, but for the entire country. I would request the young women as well as the young men graduating today to bear in mind that access to higher education is still a privilege in India. It is the contributions of countless citizens, many of whom will not even know you personally, that sustain institutions such as Goa University. As you go into the world and build your careers, do remember that and do try and give back to the society in whatever manner you can or wish to. Education is empowerment. It not only helps us to know our world better, but also enables us to think of ways of changing the world for the better.